Okay, what is going on, guys? It's Austin here. I haven't made a YouTube video in a fat minute again. Just to say a lot of things. Where have I been? What trades I've taken recently, and what has happened through the 2 months I think that I haven't made a video. Um, so yeah, let's get into it. Again, these videos are not scripted. I am on a PC now. I spent a lot of my what's it called? A lot of my payouts on a new PC, new setup, and during my college time. So yeah, this will be very very good for me. I hope, I guess, but yeah. For most of you that don't know already, I do not trade ICT. I do not trade any of those things. If you're new to my channel, you know that I don't personally like ICT. ICT is not something that I like personally, but if you guys like it, that's completely fine. I can't force anyone to use my model. I can't force anyone to do anything, but and a quick announcement, my mentorship is back up, but there is a limited time spot and I'm going to close it soon. I don't know when yet, but I am going to close it very very soon. So please, if you're interested, please DM me early about it. But if you're not interested, don't worry, it's okay. My Discord is completely free. I post recaps, I post information about what I'm gonna trade, when I'm gonna take trades, and call outs. So I will link that in the description down below. And if you're new to my channel again, please drop a like, a subscribe. That will really help me very very much. I'm trying to grow my channel as much as possible and become just not every dumb guru out there that's telling you about some 15-minute strategy and actually teach you how to trade. Now, let's go over where I've been before we go into any of these trades. I've been really, really busy. Well, not really. I've just been putting off making a video for so long that, like, I've gotten used to not making videos anymore. And I felt like, to my fans, of course, that it's not a good thing. So, today we're making a video. Today is November 10th. I'm sorry that it took this long for me to come out with a new video for you guys. Um, Thank you for waiting patiently. And to all my people that are new out here and you like my content, who are new, I appreciate you guys a lot as well. But yeah, that's where I've been. I've been mostly in college, studying for tests, doing work, managing my trades, and seeing how everything works. Now, let's get into our trades. Let's see what has happened. So, full transparency, today I blew 3 accounts and one is currently on pause. I resetted this account right here with Top Step. I currently have 5 more accounts still with Take Profit Trader because my Take Profit Trader accounts got blown 2 weeks ago, and I basically reset up every single one of them, and now they're back up. They have about a $7,000 margin. I do take payouts on Take Profit Trader often, but it's usually between like 4 to 5 days. I don't need to take it every single day because I want to have a bigger margin for me to trade, thus giving me more and more money to work with. So that's how I use Take Profit Trader. And for many of you guys asking, how am I doing Top Step and Take Profit Trader at the same time? I am using TradeSyncer. Of course, I can't show you my accounts right now because, again, I don't edit my videos. This is purely just off of my head. Um, I use TradeSyncer. I pay a little, and then they sync all my accounts, and I have a leader, which I like is Top Step because Take Profit Trader either has Quant Tower or Trade of 8, which I do not like. I lose a lot of money on Trade of 8, so that's why I'm switched back to Project X or Top Step X, which is the best thing I've ever done in a fat minute. Okay, hold on. Now, um, let's go over the trades I took today, and then let's go over the trades I took the other day. So I'm not gonna lie, today I low-key got tilted. Kind of mental was not there. Not everything was really there. Recently it's been pretty bad. I've been gambling a decent amount on my trades, which is not very ideal. But yeah, last night I took a $800 trade around here, and it chopped until, oh wait, it was not right here. Sorry. Um, it was around here, and I got stopped out, and then yeah, wait, no, it was over there. I got stopped out over here. I think it was I entered a bit higher. Yeah, and then it was up here, and I got stopped out, and then went all the way up, which I was correct about it going all the way up, but was I willing to risk about 50 points for this trade to go all the way up for 1,400 during market aftermarket? No, but it is towards the right direction, which I'm very happy about. Now, New York Open today was not it at all. We had very pricey price action, which low key pissed me off a lot. And I just kept taking trades in between, which was not it. And we dumped right here, kind of got mad right here, and then just blew my account. Even though I was right in taking shorts, I just too contracted when I had very low money to work with, which is honestly my fault. Again, nothing is the market's fault. It's completely mine. I just need to reset myself. Now, trades. How does my model work again? Overview. We go onto the 4-hour candle. We go into the 4-hour and we look for points of rejection, which is my supply and demand zone. Again, I'm only doing a quick overview because I teach it more in depth when you're my student. But yeah, all you look is for points of rejection, place it, and then that's it on the 4 hours. Supply and demand zone, super simple. This is the only thing that I use realistically from my day-to-day trade. But yeah, so these are the things that like can help me make more money. Realistically, if I saw this trade right here, I would have traded from here. I would have traded from here all the way back into this area because previous highs, right? Previous highs, we check our supply and we check our opening range, we check our opening liquidity area, and yeah, I was lucky stupid today because I did not check where price was going to go, and if I just looked at price was gonna go right here, I would have known, okay, we're gonna have a rejection spot right over we're gonna have a rejection spot right over here, as this is a liquidity area and we were gonna push all the way back up. Should have just waited for that, but I was not patient enough. That's completely on me. And yeah, let's go over some last week's trades. Last week's trades were pretty good. I took a short from right here all the way down, which is around $2,000. Took a bit of a loss right here because I thought I thought I was gonna keep pushing down next to my other zone, but it's fine. And then during market open here, I took a short all the way down to over here. I don't know why it's like that, and I did not risk 55 points. Took a short down here all the way here, which was very good. And then I think I lost a little bit around over here. It was chop. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I lost a bit of money over here. Overall, it's just like a decent experience. I did receive payouts anyways, so it doesn't really matter to me. But you know, it still sucks when you blow an account. I'm gonna try really hard to work my way back up into all of the accounts. I'm honestly just gonna take it much slower than usual. I was trying to scale 4, which I have the ability to do that, but currently I do not feel like I'm doing really good trying to scale 4. I think every time when the money gets into my head and stuff, I start to bot out a little. But that's okay though. I'm not really mad. I'm not really anything. It's just, you know, gotta realize sometimes that your trades might not be good. Your trades might be really good, but it might not work in your favor. In this case today, it was just me not following my setups, not following any of my models, and purely just not realizing what I was doing and not being smart. But other than that, I think today was a good market day. Honestly, it was very volatile. I think if you caught it, like if you use my model, you caught these two. I think it was really volatile, and yeah, that's mostly it. Honestly, guys, uh, nothing much going on. Other than that, if you're new to my channel, join the Discord, please. I'll be happy to talk to you, and I'll be happy to talk to you if you are like open to join the mentorship anyways. But yeah, the mentorship again, guys, is refined and reworked. So there's gonna be new things that I'm gonna send you. It's gonna be a paragraph, so you're gonna have to read it through very well before we advance with anything else. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope everyone is doing good, everyone's staying safe, everyone's having a great time. I hope no one is, losing their trades, of course, and everyone is trying to win. Again, I'll link my Discord in the description. If you guys need anything, please DM me or like comment on the video, and I'll reply to you as soon as I can. Okay. Have a good day, everyone, and again, stay safe.